Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds Philips on your Android device. So basically we have a few options how to check it. But your earbuds should be turned on and connected with your phone. The first option is to open control panel right here in the Bluetooth. We can check battery level. Maybe you need to click also the Bluetooth here. The second option is to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and check it right here. The problem is general battery percentages, not for the left and right earbuds, but that's all what we have. Also on some devices you can click at the settings icon or information icon near to your earbuds, right here at the device list. And you can also check it here, but this one is the same information as in the previous window. And that's it, because these earbuds have an application, so we cannot use dedicated app to check battery level. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!